Automate anything with Google Opal. I just built 3 AI apps in under 10 minutes. No coding, no developers, no BS. Google Opal lets anyone build and automate anything, and it's free right now. Watch me build these live. All right, Google Labs just released something huge. It's called Opal, and it lets you build AI powered mini apps using just plain English. No coding required. You literally describe what you want, and it builds the app for you. Let me show you exactly how this works. Opal creates what they call workflows. A workflow is just a series of steps that do something useful. You chain together different AI models and tools to automate tasks. The magic is you never have to write code. You use natural language or a visual editor or mix both together. Here's what makes Opal special. It has three main types of steps you can use. First is the input step. This is where users enter data. Could be text, images, videos, audio, or files. You decide what kind of input your app needs. Second is the generate step. This is where AI does the work. You can use different Google AI models here. Gemini for text and logic, Imagen for creating images, VO for generating videos. You write a prompt and the AI generates something based on that prompt. Third is the output step. This controls what happens with the results. You can create a web page with auto layout, save content to Google Docs or Google Slides, export data to Google Sheets, or just display results directly in the app. These three step types can be combined in endless ways. Want a 5-step workflow? No problem. Want 10 steps? Also fine. You just describe what you want each step to do. Now, here's what's really cool. Opal gives you two ways to build. You can use natural language, just type what you want the app to do. Opal interprets your instructions and builds the workflow automatically. Or you can use the visual editor. This shows you all the steps as boxes connected by arrows. You can click any step to edit it. Add new steps by clicking plus buttons. Delete steps you don't need. Most people use both methods together. Start with natural language to build fast, then fine tune with the visual editor. And if something breaks, Opal has debugging tools built in. You can run your workflow step by step, see exactly where errors happen, fix issues without any guesswork. Opal also has a gallery of templates. These are pre-built apps you can use right away or remix them to fit your needs. The gallery shows you what's possible: book recommendation apps, business profile generators, YouTube quiz makers, content creation tools. You can explore these to learn how workflows are structured. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Building custom software used to require developers. That meant hiring someone or learning to code yourself. Both take time and money. Opal changes that completely. No technical skills required. You just need to know what problem you want to solve. This opens up massive opportunities. Content creators can automate their workflow, turn long videos into short clips, generate captions for different platforms, create summaries and reports. Marketers can build client tools, automate research and analysis, generate presentations and documents, create personalized campaigns at scale. Business owners can streamline operations, automate data collection, generate reports automatically, build custom tools for their team. Educators can create learning apps, interactive quizzes and study guides, personalized lesson plans, automated grading systems. The use cases are endless. Now, let me show you 3 specific apps you can build. These are powerful automations that actually work. First is a multi-platform content repurposer. This app takes a YouTube video URL, analyzes the full transcript, finds the 3 most viral worthy 60-second clips, then generates unique captions for each platform: TikTok captions with hooks and hashtags, LinkedIn posts with professional summaries, Twitter threads with punchy tweets, all from one video input. Here's the exact prompt to use in Opal. Create an app that accepts a YouTube video URL as input. In the first step, the app must analyze the video's full transcript. In the second step, the app must identify the 3 most viral, worthy, high impact 60-second clips from the transcript. For each clip, the app must output a unique platform specific caption: 1 for TikTok shorts with an urgent hook and 3 hashtags, 1 for a LinkedIn post with professional summary and a key lesson, 1 for a Twitter X thread with 3 short, punchy tweets. Display the final package as a report. Copy that prompt into Opal and it builds the entire workflow. Second app is an automated client onboarding assistant. This handles your entire kickoff process, takes a company name and website URL, researches the company automatically, analyzes their brand voice, identifies content marketing gaps, creates a professional kickoff agenda, saves it to Google Drive, drafts a personalized welcome email. Here's the prompt: build a client onboarding app that takes a client company name and their website URL as input. Step 1, use web search to research the company and output a brief analysis of their brand voice And 3, immediate content marketing gaps. Step 2, use the analysis to draft a professional project. Kick off agenda document 3 pages long and save it to a designated folder in Google Drive. Step 3, draft a personalized welcome and next steps email for the client, attaching the document created in step 2. The final app output should display the email draft and the link to the saved Google Doc. This automates hours of manual work. Third app is an SEO title, a meta description optimizer. Takes a content topic idea, researches the competition, generates an optimized title under 60 characters, creates a meta description under 155 characters, assigns a viability score from 1 to 10, suggests a unique underserved angle, saves everything to a Google Sheet automatically. Here's the prompt: create an SEO tool that takes a content topic idea as input. Step 1, use web search to analyze the competition for the topic and generate a clear, concise SEO title under 60 characters and a meta description under 155 characters. Step 2, based on the competition, assign a viability score from 1 to 10 to the idea and suggest a unique underserved angle. Step 3, automatically send the topic idea, the viability score, the unique angle, and the current date to a new row in my Google Sheet named Content Pipeline Tracker. The final app output should display the optimized title, meta description, and the viability score. These 3 prompts create real working apps. I'll be building and testing each one in this video. You'll see exactly how they work. Now let me talk about sharing and hosting. When you finish building an app, Opal handles everything. No servers to set up, no complicated deployment. You just click the share button. Opal generates a public URL. Anyone with a Google account can use your app immediately. This makes collaboration super easy. Build an app for your team, share the link. Everyone can start using it right away. Opal also keeps improving. Google recently made it way faster. Creating new apps used to take 5 seconds or more. Now it happens almost instantly. They added parallel processing too. Complex workflows run multiple steps at the same time. This cuts down total wait time significantly. The debugging tools got better as well. You can now run workflows step by step. Errors show exactly where they happened. Real-time feedback makes fixing issues much easier. And Opal is expanding globally. Started US only, now available in over 160 countries. More people can access it every month. Here's the best part right now. Opal is completely free during the public beta. No credit card required. No usage limits announced yet. You can build as many apps as you want. Google hasn't announced pricing plans, but enjoy free access while it lasts. Now, let me give you some pro tips. First, be specific in your prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the results. Don't just say build a content tool. Explain exactly what inputs you need, what steps should happen, what format the output should be. Second, start simple, then add complexity. Build a basic workflow first, test it to make sure it works, then add more steps gradually. This makes debugging much easier. Third, use the gallery for inspiration. Look at existing templates, see how they're structured, remix them for your own use cases. Fourth, test your apps thoroughly. Try different inputs, see if results match expectations, fix issues before sharing with others. Fifth, join the Opal community. There's a Discord channel for builders. Share what you're creating. Get help when you're stuck. Learn from other people's workflows. The community is growing fast. So what's the big picture here? We're seeing a fundamental shift in how software gets built. You no longer need developers for every custom tool. Anyone can describe what they need and get a working app. This democratizes access to technology. Small businesses can compete with big ones. Individuals can automate complex workflows. Teams can prototype ideas in minutes instead of months. The barrier to entry just disappeared. Now I want you to take action. Go to opalwithgoogle.com right now. Sign in with your Google account. Browse the gallery to see what's possible. Pick one of the 3 prompts I shared, build that app, and test it. See how it works for your needs. Then think about one task you do repeatedly every week. Write a prompt to automate that task. Build it in Opal. Start simple, get it working, then expand from there. The key is actually building something. Don't just watch videos about it. Go do it yourself. That's how you learn. And honestly, it's pretty fun once you start. You begin seeing everything as workflows. What could I automate? How could I save time? What tool could I build? That mindset is powerful. To wrap this up, Google Opal is one of the most exciting tools released this year. It makes building AI apps accessible to everyone. The 3 prompts I shared are just the beginning. You can build almost anything you imagine. The key is starting today. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Just build something, anything. That's how you learn. And that's how you position yourself ahead of the curve. Most people don't know Opal exists yet. You're already ahead by watching this. Stay ahead by actually using it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button